Well, for me, that compressed timeline is unacceptable, not acceptable, for the simple reason that it will deny due process to both sides.
Hindi katanggap-tanggap ang compressed timeline ng impeachment process. Ito ang inihayag ni San Juan City Representative Isabel Maria Zamora, House Assistant Majority Leader at isa sa House Prosecutors sa impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Tugon ito ng mambabatas matapos ipanukala ni Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino ang isang mabilis na timeline para sa impeachment case ng pangalawang Pangulo. Paliwanag ni Congressman Zamora, hindi magiging makatarungan kung mamadaliin ang proseso. Aniya hindi magkakaroon ng sapat na oras sa parehong panig upang magpakita ng mga ebidensya at magbigay ng tamang depensa.
For the prosecution, we will be unable to present all of our evidence in just 2 days maybe. While for the defense, they would also not be able to defend themselves in such a short time. So this is both on a procedural side and on a substantive side of due process.
Binanggit din ng House Assistant Majority Leader na nagsagawa sila ng practice session bilang paghahanda sa impeachment trial.
So actually yesterday, the prosecutors and our private lawyers met and we had some Q&As, practice questions just in case the senators will be asking Congresswoman Luistro or any of us any question, and Congresswoman Luistro also practiced the reading of the articles.
Para sa House Prosecutors, isang welcome development ang oath-taking ni Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero bilang presiding officer sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ngayon ay umaasa sila na itutuloy ng mga senador ang panunumpa bilang mga hukom para sa nasabing paglilitis. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.